Okay, so good night. Today I'm gonna give a tier list for Resident Evil. I will do only Resident Evil remake. The under that original I didn't put it in the list because I think it's too much because Resident Evil game there is many, and I think I will just uh, do the remake one. Okay, for the first one is Resident Evil 2, which I think is the best, one of the best game in the Resident Evil, and also the one who behind all the main story. That's all it start. Okay, and Resident Evil 3. I think it's a mid game because the story is the same as Resident Evil 2, but I think this is not too much conflict about the Umbrella Corps and didn't explain the Tyrant as well. And Resident Evil 4, I think it's a good game. Maybe one of the best game in Resident Evil 4, and it's worth it. And and I think it's better than Resident Evil 2. So for the Resident Evil 7, I think it's the savior of Resident Evil franchise because it's a new unique style where the game is with first person perspective. And I think it's good, but not as best as Resident Evil 4 and 2. But it's good enough to become a wonderful game and a new unique game. And Resident Village, which is 8, I think it's good enough, and the visual is great and the story is uh, it's better and great. And I think I will put it in A because these two game is with first mode person perspective, made the game feel more horror and little action. But uh, for Village, I think it's more action than the horror. So yeah, this is my list, and the upcoming games is Resident Evil Requiem. From the trailer, there is Leon Kennedy again. Is coming back to Resident Evil. I hope this game will give us the expectations of the fans. Yeah, that's it.